Welcome back to the channel. My name is Cookie and today you're watching another Cookie Coolie video. Today we're going to do a summoning session for Fairy Knight Lancelot, aka Tam Lin Lancelot, or if you want to go by her real name, it's Melusine. Now I'll be the first one to admit I wasn't gonna roll for her, but then I saw the shit she could do. No way in hell I'm gonna skip for her. Like the fact that she can actually turn herself into a Session 3 and then change her noble phantasm, I can see why she's good now. We'll see how it goes. Maybe I could be lucky, we'll see. We're gonna take it. Let's just skip this real quick. Because, you know, knowing my luck, I'm probably going to fail this. But we'll see. Now, if I do happen to get her within those tickets, then shit. Okay, we'll see. That's a Krampus, my bad. Okay, we got 4 more. If I see if I see a... Okay, that's a Krampus. If I see one ring, I'm gonna skip. Okay, that's one ring. Last one, right? No, that's 2 more. If it's a servant, we'll see. Nope. Okay. And we have 1 more. Knowing my luck, I'm not going to hold my... Oh. Who is it? Oh, that was a 4-star? Jesus Christ, I keep skipping on these 4-star and up servants. Okay. Oh, I forgot to mention we have Percival as well, but you know. We're mainly here for Melusine anyway, so yeah. AKA Tam Lin Lancelot. I don't know why they keep giving them names Tam Lin. When it's actually Fairy Knight in the Japanese version apparently, but hey, we'll see. 86 Saint Quartz. I'm not gonna hold on too much when it comes to luck, but you know what? We'll see. Let's just skip the first ring. Or... Okay. Wow. Wow. That was the bare minimum, okay. Fortunately, I do have a lot of fragments. But we'll see if my luck is good when it comes to rolling with these freebie Saint Quartz. Man, this year is really packing with so many great servants. A lot of anticipated servants in this year, but 26 Saint Quartz left. That's not good. Maybe I should have gone to my shop first. I wasn't expecting to exchange this early, but hey, we'll go with this. Nice. We got 77 Saint Quartz, nice. Like that'll give us 2 summon, 2 multis by the way. Oh man, I really wish I... Please... Well then again, I kind of need her at MP2 because... Well, need is a strong word, but I want her at MP2. Okay. That's not good. Alright, it's Beyond the Horizon. Pretty sure I maxed this one already. Projection. Pretty sure I maxed that one already as well. Ah, shit, that's not looking too good. Okay. 1 more multi. Whoa. The beginning of ambition. Oh! Oh my god! Damn it, I really need to stop skipping. Great. I mean, I'm happy, but like... The fact that I skipped her animation, it just makes it so anticlimactic. Hey, we'll go for NP2, and hopefully I don't skip this this whole thing. Now, before you ask me why am I skipping, I'm not. I'm just skipping the 3 stars. That's my intention. Because I don't want to... Well, whatever. Let me just check this introduction real quick.
Servant Lancer.
Mm-hmm.
妖精騎士ランスロット召喚に応じ参上した
Nice. Damn, she looks pretty kawaii, not gonna lie. Seems like we don't have a connection yet. Well, we're about to get one right now. Okay. Nice. Now we got Lancelot. Quite easily. No, I didn't have to pay a dime. But watch me fail real hard to get NP2 to the point where I'm gonna probably spend like over $200. We'll see. Hopefully that's not gonna be the case. Hopefully I'm also lucky enough to get her at NP2, but we'll see. We're gonna skip this as usual. Like I said, I'm skipping the 3 stars, right? That means we'll get 4-star and above. Just so we can save a bit of time on our hands, but... Oh, okay, that's a new craft essence. Even though I have a copy already, but what I mean by 2 is... That's my second copy. Okay, Heaven's Feel. Been a while since I last saw Heaven's Feel CE. Yeah, we'll go for a second multi. Wow, I haven't even gotten Percival, now that I think about it. Then again, it is only the second multi. Okay. Beyond the Horizon. Another craft essence. Divine Banquet. Come on, please. I really need her at NP2 real soon. I was lucky enough not to pay for her NP1. But don't make me pay $500 for her second Noble Phantasm, please. I still need to save up for Koyanskaya too. And Oberon. Okay, we have a servant. Let's not skip that one. Okay, now we can skip. I'm looking for Lancelot. So... Oh, we have a 3rd copy of this. Nice. Nice. Well, I mean, I already have that one, so... Okay. Shit, 94 already? Damn. Shit. These shit ran out quick. Okay, okay, that's a... Oh, hey, that's a servant. Did I skip right? Oh shit, never mind. I didn't skip it right. My bad. Ah, shit. Okay. Ooh. Another one of those. Can I even max this now? Oh! Okay. Lancelot, we're looking for that. Okay. Yes. Okay. Woo-hoo! Yeah, boy. Nice. Damn, that was good. And I only had to pay 120-ish Canadian dollars. Mind you, I'm Canadian. Hold up. What? I haven't seen... Well, I mean, I'm pretty sure I have this, but... I haven't seen this craft essence in ages. Okay. Nice dress. Don't want to get these dirty. I mean, I don't want you to get dirty either. Nice. Next one should be a different ascension. Now from here, I'm gonna change her costume back to either Ascension 1 or 2. But damn, she looks so good in this one though. To my original form. Okay. Oh. I'm looking. Truth. Shred up Albion. Oh, her name is revealed in this. Now that I look this way, there's no going back. Okay, run as far as you want. What the I thought her name wouldn't be revealed if I didn't complete Lost Bell 6. But I guess it's shown when she's Ascension 3. Oh, nice. Okay. Yeah, let's give her that. Damn! That's a nice art. Holy... The last dragon crumbled. What? Am I reading this right? Okay, rotten... I read this as tits. I never... White wings again? Damn. Okay. You have my thanks, master. Today, you and the world are born anew. Okay. I desire to get Koyan Skya next. Will you grant me that wish? As much as I really love the third Ascension, and I wanted to start off with this in battle, her playstyle is quite unique. So I'm gonna change her to Ascension 2. Low-key, I do like the first Ascension though. Like, I'm not gonna lie, that armor looks sick over the dress. Like, I like the dress, okay, don't get me wrong. But armor is fitting for battle. So I'm gonna go with that. Alright, so hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Please hit the like and subscribe if you guys want to see more. Till then, I'll see you guys in the next one.